That sauce is actually pretty good. Bismillah. I think I have to watch my own video to remake that sauce again because it's actually really good. So starting off, we have all of the ingredients that I use for the first salad. It's good to give all of your beans a really, really good rinse because you just want to get all of that, like, I don't know, liquid that they've been sitting in for time out. Although, a side note, I feel like when I do make other recipes, like rice and peas, I do tend to keep it in. But anyway, for this recipe, we want to rinse them out really good. And then I've just popped it into a little salad bowl to set aside. You can really choose any beans, whatever you like, whatever is your favorite. I just use butter beans, lentils, and I think they're like black beans. Another really good mix is the 5-bean mix, but we're gonna add chickpeas later, so it's kind of replicating that anyway, just with more cans. So now it's to make the dressing. I'm gonna make something different that I've never made before. So it's cottage cheese with pesto. So this is going to be a nice, really high protein salad for the gains, for the girls. And so just blend that all together. I will admit my blender's like on its last legs. Actually, it's probably has no legs anymore. It's done. And that was a bit of a mission to get it mixed up. But move. So now I'm just going to add some lemon to this just to give it a little bit of a zing, a little bit of a kick to it. And you can add again as much as you want if you want it really tart, because bear in mind, I guess the cottage cheese and the pesto are quite like savory flavors. So if you want to add more lemon, it will be a little bit more tart. But if you like that vibe for your salads, go ham. Add 2 lemons. I just added only 1 this time. So mix that really well. And then you season it, of course, because dressings don't need to be plain, people. Season them. So I added some garlic salt, and then my favorite is this spicy ducker. I think I got this from Woolworths, and you know, like when you go and there's that section where there's all these things on discount, that's when I found it. I have yet to find it again, which is really annoying because I really like it. So I might have to end up just making it from scratch, which is a task, but you know, we like cooking over here and we like experimenting, so don't be surprised if when I run out I just remake my own. So yeah, give that a good stir, and remember those chickpeas that I was talking about? Here they are. I used 2 cans in total. Again, same routine. Drain out all of that liquid, give them a really nice rinse, and then we're gonna pat them dry because these are actually not gonna go straight in and roll like that into the salad. We're gonna add a little zhuzh. You know, we need to build up the layers. So these are gonna go in the oven, and to keep things like what should I say, like matching together. The math should be mathing together. We're just going to take the same spices that we put onto the salad dressing. We're going to do that onto the chickpeas as well. And this kind of just helps also get the seasoning into the other beans because I did not season them. They're raw as is from the can. I did add paprika, sweet paprika to this just to add a little bit more, and drizzle some olive oil, and then you pop that into the oven. Don't forget to mix. See, you need to kind of coat everything together so that each little chick pea has a good amount of seasoning. Now we're moving on. Sorry, I am digressing. We are moving on. That was the prep for the next salad. And now we're back again. This voiceover is like, I need to be faster. So anyway, here are the chickpeas, beautifully roasted. And now we're going to put peanuts. That's peanuts going into the oven. Side note, again, I did burn the first batch because I did not know how fast peanuts roast. So I think people do it on the stove, like in a pan, which makes sense. But I was not trying to get another dish out. So I just tried batch 2 in the oven and watched them very, very, very closely. And they were fine. So this is now the prep for the second salad. I never really cook any like Asian inspired meals, but I see the health benefits of them. I feel like they have a lot of vegetables. They're always really fresh. And so this is my take, which isn't really a take because I feel like the ingredients I used are probably like standard in what people know as the base for Asian cooking and dressings. But hey, look, it's my first time, and it might be a simple concoction. It might be, something that you're already used to using, but this is just me doing my little thing, okay? So I got all my ingredients like shredded up, some cabbage, sliced up some cucumbers, and then there's peanuts that we had put into the oven. They're actually going to go into the salad as well. So you give it a nice toss. I did try to do like the Kardashian shake your salad method, and that helped, but it just needed a little bit more of a mix. And there, the peanuts, drop them in, and then we're going to get the dressing mixture. Obviously, if you want to keep this longer, don't put the whole dressing into the container. Keep it on the side and just put it in when you're ready to eat because the veggies are going to get wilted. But then that's really it. And it was actually really, really good. I think it's a lot easier. Like, it's always been something that I'm like, oh, I don't know. There's always a lot more ingredients than I'm used to using. And I don't really make dressings either. I just be bareback in the salads, guys. So here we are with the dressing, and I was pleasantly surprised at how it turned out. I think next time I'm gonna add a little bit more, build up the salad a little bit more, and see what else we can create. Back now, let's rewind your mind back. So those chickpeas, here they are. They are shining, glorious, looking very golden brown and crispy. And that's the salad that we had before. So all I'm doing now is adding them in, and as you can see, because they've been seasoned and like that, it's going to really set into them. Every bite you take is going to have a bit of that seasoning. If you really want, you can add seasoning to the other beans that are already in the bowl, but in my opinion, then it's just doing too much, because ideally you would have the salad with something else and keep it light, keep it simple. So we mix that in, and I actually had quite a lot of chickpeas. You can also keep them for other things, like if you want to change up the combinations of your salads. It's another really good way. You could even split this in half, and then have this salad with something else. So I think these are really good bulky salads for multiple meals. You don't have to always eat it like this. I just added some sultanas as well, just to add some sweetness to it, because like I said, the dressing that we made is a bit tangy, and if you're not like me, which I have a sweet tooth, you can continue the tang. I have a sweet tooth. I just added some sultanas just to cut that lemon flavor of the dressing a bit. And then there you have it. That is the second salad. And yeah, you can mix it up. You can add sweet corn. You can add parsley. Just anything really. You can do whatever you want. I feel like it's a really good base to have on its own. and then also to build up if you want to add more stuff to it. But that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.